Let's take a look at traditional training methods. Broadly speaking, trainers can use traditional methods, including lectures and discussions, or experimental methods, where trainees learn through doing. Lectures represent one of the most widely used and traditional teaching methods. It's based on the assumption that the person giving the lecture is an expert and the listeners are there to record and absorb what the lecturer says. They are considered more effective when the content of instruction is largely declarative, meaning they emphasize basic knowledge acquisition as opposed to higher order outcomes like problem solving. Lectures represent mainly one-way communication. Often, other instruction methods are employed. At a minimum, generally some combination of blackboard or computer visuals, handouts, and questions. Trainers choose to use lectures as their method of instruction for many reasons. First, lectures represent an efficient way to disseminate a large amount of information. Learning the appropriate pace for a lecture is important. Discussions are frequently used to supplement lectures. Discussions are a good way to involve trainees in the learning process. While it's easy to have a discussion, it can be difficult to have a good one. Among the first things that trainers should think about is whether the topic is appropriate and the trainees are prepared to engage in a discussion. Discussions are good when trainers want to explore the nuances in a topic or want their trainees to engage in critical thinking. While traditional methods are common and represent useful ways to provide instruction, there's an increasing interest in teaching individuals in more engaging ways. Instruction that is fully experimental comprises four stages: concrete experience, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization, and active experimentation. When deciding which method to use, several factors facilitate that decision.